So today I'm going to be doing a clear blue digital pregnancy test. I really hope that it comes up so it doesn't make me worry, but basically the test yesterday looks like that. The test today is a little bit darker, but to be honest, I'll take some photos, but to be honest, the thing I noticed the most is the fact that it's coming up really quickly on these cheapies. Don't know if you can see that, especially on that cassette one actually, it's coming up. Came up really quickly, and it's actually come up on this. So yeah, but the first response doesn't really look much darker, but the cheapies have backed it up, so I'm hoping that it is. Say hi, ladies! Matt's just getting ready for work. But I thought it'd be fun if we can dip it together and then look at the results together and see what it says. So, good morning! What are you dressing up as today? A fireman?
Pirate.
Fireman pirate. He was waving his sword around this morning waiting for his clock to go yellow. He's so cute.
Now the iPad's still got 0 battery and it was plugged in.
Oh, it must not have been plugged in properly last night.
It was.
Let's get the whole family involved. Hey baby! Hey baby! You okay?
Or someone must have put it on power off.
Maybe. First response is a little bit darker, but you know. No fighting? No
Try
fighting?
to eat it again.
Oh my goodness.
Don't try to fight it, Charlie.
I just hope that it's enough to come up. Right. Okay, so you can see the little symbol flashing. So I'm going to put it down there and cover it so we can't see it. It is very early in the morning and Matt's off to work. Go on then, you're going to look at it. Has it done it yet? Has it done it yet? What? Oh, it's not sensitive enough.
Did tell you.
Okay, we will test again tomorrow.
It's very early.
I know.
Don't get too excited yet.
Okay, we'll be testing tomorrow.
Hi ladies! Today we're testing clear blue. Corrine has left me a lovely present this morning. Ooh. And so I've got to test a digi. So here we go. Wow,